What color is the sky on a clear day? Blue. What color are bananas? Yellow. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow? Orange. What color are zebras? Black and white. What color is a stop sign? Red. What color is grass? Green. Which color is made by mixing blue and yellow? Green. What color is milk? White. What color is a pumpkin? Orange. What color is gold? Golden.